Welcome to my HTML programming course. In this video, we will see about image elements. Let's get started. Let's start with the introduction. In today's modern world, images are everything. It will help us to beautify our web page. Images helps us to improve the design and appearance of the web page. In HTML, we can insert images using image tag. Technically, we are not inserting the images into the web page. The image tags creates a holding space for the referenced image. Image tag is an example of an empty tag because it contains only attribute and it does not have a closing tag. Let's see the syntax of image element. Image element contains image tag. It is having two attributes. One is source and another one is alt. The source attribute is used to define the path of the image. The alt attribute is used to define the alternate text for the image. Let's see that in action. I have opened Visual Studio Code and Chrome side by side to see the output clearly. I have opened the images folder and I have some HTML files with the starting code. For demo, I am having the HTML image in the same folder. I have one more folder called images, which is having the image of the YouTube logo. First, we will see how to display image from the same folder in HTML. I am opening the HTML file image same folder. In this file, I have defined the title as images from same folder. And inside the body tag, I have defined paragraph element with the content images from the same folder. I am launching this file using live server and see how it is displayed in browser. In web browser, I could see the title and the paragraph content. Now, I am going to add the HTML image from the same folder. To add this, I am typing image tag. To define the path, I am typing source attribute. For source attribute, I am giving the image name as html.png. Let's save the file and see how it displays in the browser. Now we can see the HTML image in the browser. Now I am adding one more attribute called alt attribute. For alt attribute, I am giving value as HTML image. If you are not mapping the source path correctly, the alternate text will be displayed. See, now I am giving a wrong file name. Now the alternate text is displayed in the web browser instead of the image. Let's correct the source image name and save the file to see the image in the browser. This is how we have to display image from the same folder in HTML. Now we know how to display image from the same folder. Now we will see how to display image from different folder. Here I am having another folder called images, which is having YouTube logo image. To see this in action, I am launching the file image different folder using live server. We have the title as image from different folder Inside the body tag, we have paragraph element with content images from different folder. To load the image from different folder, I am adding the image tag. For the image tag, I am adding the source attribute. For source attribute, I am adding the image path as images, which is the folder name, and then youtube.png, which is the image name. Let's save the file. Now the YouTube logo image is displayed in the browser. We can add alt attribute with the value as YouTube logo. To see this alt text, I am giving the wrong image name as YouTube logo. Let's save the file, and now the alternate text is displayed in the browser. Let's correct the image name and save the file. This is how we have to load images from different folder in HTML. Now we know how to display the downloaded images. We will see how to load image directly from web. I'm using the file image from web HTML file, and I'm launching this file using live server. In the web browser, we could see the title and the paragraph element. To load the image from web, first we have to copy the image address. For this, go to Google and then type Facebook logo image. I'm going to copy the address of the Facebook logo. Now right click on the image and select copy image address. Now I'm creating the image element. I'm adding image tag, and for source attribute, I'm giving the value of the copied address. Let's save the file. Now you could see the Facebook logo displayed in the browser. Now I'm also giving alternate text as Facebook logo and save the file. This is how we have to load the image directly from the web in HTML. Now we know how to load images from the folders and directly from the web. Now we will see how to adjust the width and height of the image. I am launching the HTML file image width and height using live server. We have the title as images width and height, and the paragraph element is also displayed in the web browser. To see the working of width and height attributes, first I am adding image tag. For source attribute, I am giving the HTML image path. We could see the image in the browser. I am also adding the alternate attribute with the value HTML image. Now I am creating width attribute with the value 400. Let's type 400. Let's save the file to see how it displays. See, the width of the image is changed. Also, I'm creating height attribute with the value 500. Let's save it to see how it displays in the browser. So, by using width and height attribute, we can adjust the width and height of the image in the HTML. That's all about HTML images. In the next video, we will see about comments and line breaks. Thank you.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment this video. If you want to stay up to date with our latest content, please subscribe to my channel Spider Tech Hub. Thank you.